In this session we'll have a look at the HR Position Loader template provided within the Application Interface Wizard. It provides the ability to create and update the positions that then can be uploaded into Oracle. It allows the create and updating of reporting to, creation of, valid grades and viewing of position occupancy for the existing positions if available. Once you've worked through the initial setup, you're presented with the three tabs: the Application Interface Wizard, the Application Interface Wizard Setup, and the Custom Query. Today we're going to concentrate on the Application Interface Wizard. Once we've selected the tab, then it's a matter of selecting the template, so through the list of values. So in this case we're going to select the position loader, but as you can see there are other loaders in the drop down list, and from here we can create the new template, and this template will give us all the columns available to us for this particular position loader. And as you can see here, we have all the columns, all the DFF fields, etc. And what we do from this point is we go through and tailor the sheet to your requirements. So we can use standard Excel functionality to do the deletion of the columns that we're not using. We can hide the columns, and equally we can move the columns around through the cut and paste functionality of Excel. So you will now then see with this tailored sheet we've reduced the number of columns down significantly to the columns that we need for the production purposes. Interesting to note, row 10 is our default row, so any value in row 10 will be reflected against the production rows beneath it. So it's a good way to save time and effort by using the default row for values such as the action, the position, the job type, hiring status, etc. Number of ways of getting the data into the sheet: obviously typing directly into the white cells. The grey cells are reserved for feedback from Oracle. Another method is to use the forms. So we can use the forms for a particular section within the spreadsheet. Or equally we can use bulk data. So if we've got the data that exists in an existing spreadsheet, then we can copy and paste that into the production sheet, just bearing in mind that the columns need to align in terms of the data and the worksheet. So as you can see, here is our data form. Where we did have those defaults, you can see they've come through already populated, and then effectively from here we can select the dates in terms of the date pickers. It might be a list of values in terms of active or proposed, so we can select the data that we require from the list of values, and we can also use the wildcard percentage sign for searching in some fields. So a very quick and easy way of getting data into the workbook is to use the data form. So we have some data here that we've pre-created, as you can see, and so we've populated the various sections, and we're now able to then basically go through. We could select the rows that we wish to upload. We could do the validation process first, and basically that will validate the data to ensure the data is correct, or we can upload selected rows or upload all in the spreadsheet, and the upload process will do that validation process prior to doing the upload. So we'll go ahead and upload all. And we can see the validation process has taken place, and now we're going through and creating the transactions. So as we can see, the upload is now complete, and we have those positions now accepted and created in Oracle. And we have the ability to download information back into the spreadsheet. So in this case we'll download the position that we've just created. Two choices, using the download form or downloading directly into the data sheet. So we'll take the data sheet at this particular point in time and download that data back into the spreadsheet. And we could have selected multiple records at the same time. And there we have it, that the record we just created is now downloaded into the spreadsheet. And just to take a look at that form, so we could use a form, and this allows you to expand the criteria on which you wish to base your download on. As we can see here. So the download of the data is very useful. We can download based on various criteria, and once downloaded into the spreadsheet, you're able to change values to update, if you like, the record in Oracle. So basically we could go through, change the values, and then instead of the create function, we would then use the update function, as you can see here in the form. So instead of create, we'll use the update function and then effectively update the records very simply, very easily, and then go through the validation and upload process to update those records.